Oh my God, Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's the next move? Let's find out in the charts here, shall we? Well, you see, Bitcoin, we've just dumped heavily because this was a pennant, and we're going to talk about that and more into today's episode. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the 5x5 Student Life here in Dubai. How you doing out there? I hope you're doing well. I know that Bitcoin prices are not doing so well. They're not doing so well. Same with Ethereum. It is dreary out there. I mean, you feel like what the hell, man? When's this gonna end, man? It's so painful. Oh no. We're gonna talk about when that end's gonna come, right? And how to trade it, how to do that. Check out bybit.davincij15.com. Head over there right now for a $30,000 bonus. Links are in the description below and in the pinned comment. Make sure you check that out. Okay. So what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum? Is the bottom in? Well, not quite yet, but we're going to talk about where the bottom is, and we've already did that yesterday, but I'm going to do it again just for you folks who just missed out. The bottom for Bitcoin, right, is a clear AB equals CD pattern. There's two of them, actually, that line up perfectly with the $12,000-ish area. So that's your target, right? That's the main target for Bitcoin. Now, if you're trying to trade that, right, on the short here, you can, but I would wait for, this looks like a little bit like it could turn into a bear trap. We could come up and then come back down. We did that already up here. So make sure you do not fall into that trap. If you are trading this, make sure you, if you're going to trade this, you jump in as a bear. You do a small, if you want to jump in and you're afraid that, hey, you might miss the train, that's not the way you should be trading. You should have shorted this up from here. There was lots of evidence that this was breaking down. If you didn't short from here, right, you got to hold it. And yeah, I think they're gonna test these people's resolve by coming up here and go, okay, you really want to stay in that trade, and then try to bounce you out. So don't get bounced out. Don't get bounced out. This is definitely going down. But we could do a little small rally here. There's if we go down to the shorter time frames, you can see that things are looking like it wants to reverse and reverse heavy. So, and if we bring up the indicators, you can see that there is a little bit of, is there a divergence here? Well, no, it's not on Ethereum, but not on Bitcoin. It is on Ethereum. There is clear divergence here, but there is a divergence between here and there. This is on the 15-minute. Oh, actually, let's go to the hourly. See, check out 4 hour. Check out if there's a divergence there. Oh no, 4 hours too slow. Let's go to the hourly. Yes, so there we go. We do have a clear divergence on the hourly, as I thought. That doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to turn around and go a lot higher. It just means that the odds are that we could pump here. To wipe out any bears who went too higher leverage long. So make sure you're not one of those bears that get wiped out. So you can actually see we could end up with a W here. Not the greatest of W's. I don't like to take them when there's a dip here, but it still counts. It still can count for the bears. So make sure you guys are prepared for that. And yeah, most likely we might have a W here and then go. So, but you could also see there might be a little one of a W on a shorter time frame. Let's just see if there is one on the 15-minute. I didn't see one that last time we were there. Oh, maybe, yeah, there's a little tiny one here, right there. So we could end up, it's not so far. End up breaking above these highs here, which is this. Oh wow, that's a little bit. That's $16,000 level. So yeah, that's always a possibility. Okay, heading over to Ethereum, right? We also see a lot of signs of reversal, right? My Hail Mary trade was right here. I didn't take it. Unfortunately, I should have taken it. But hey, what the heck? I saw this trade and I was like, this might Hail Mary. And boom, yeah, it Hail Marys. And you see, now we're going to create a little bit of a W on the 5-minute and boom, take off on Ethereum. So the Ethereum could break a little bit higher. Let's just talk about where it could break. and see what we can do in the meantime. All right, looking at the 4 hour, right? You can see, okay, there's not a clear indication of where it wants to go, breaking back higher to. Okay, so yes, no clear indication at any of the time frames. So let's just take it all the way to the top here and say, okay, 61.8. Yeah, there we go. You can see the candle bodies right there. Is where it might go to. That was just $1,163. We could end up as close to, yes, as close to the $1,200 mark. So look out for that as a possibility as well. We could come really close to the 200 period moving average on the 15 or the 1 hour time frame. Probably not going to touch it. So I would not count on that. Okay, so that is your Ethereum and Bitcoin trades for today. Yes, we're a little bit bullish on the bullish side, but only on the short term. But Bitcoin and Ethereum is long term very bullish, regardless of whether Bitcoin and Ethereum gets to their targets. Doesn't matter. You should be dollar cost averaging right now. We are at the lows. The bottom is closer than you think. And because we've gotten capitulation in the news, a lot of people are saying Bitcoin and the crypto are dead, and the government's going to kill it with their regulations. And so this is perfect sentimental area to be like, okay, I think this is time to buy. And so on the reverse side, we should be looking at that. When all the sentiment is positive, everybody's happy, everything's happy, joy, and we're seeing new highs. I think it's time that we should start reversing our trades out next time when we see the next bull run. We'll talk about that in the next bull run, but it's going to be a long way. It's going to be a long and hard journey, right, before we get to the next bull run. But hey, I've been here before. It's not the end of the world. We will do well. We will see the Bitcoin at incredible heights. The government and the world can't manage Bitcoin forever. They will lose this game, and Bitcoin will be money. It will be money within your lifetime, so you don't have to worry about it. All right. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you have some Bitcoin. Make sure you have some Ethereum. And throw in a little Binance coin just for some good luck there. And thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.